everyone, this is Nate from the Peelers team teaching a little move today called Armchair. It looks a little something like that. Sorry, that was a little sloppy. This deck is getting all sweaty. I'm trying to record this after a million times. But anyway, it's a really fun move. It's very comfy. Let's get into it, shall we? Awesome. So you start in Z grip, like so. And you're going to want to tilt this wrist forward on this one because you're going to want to push out the bottom packet with your middle ring and pinky, like so. It's going to open up and kind of sit on your thumb like this. Awesome. And after that, you're going to lean this packet back down into that hand, and you're going to use the ring finger and thumb to twist down. Your middle is also going to help pull, and your thumb's going to slide down this card so that this swings towards that packet. So you almost have an open book look like that, and you can almost make that your own move. So awesome. Anyway, go like this, push those up with your middle ring and pinky. This plops back down, this grabs this way. So it's almost a fun move you keep doing over and over and over again if you keep grabbing a packet, but it looks like that. It's a very smooth, fluid, it's almost like a whip kind of thing. Looks like that. Anyway, it's your middle finger, ring, and thumb. Your middle finger and ring are curling back and your thumb is sliding underneath. So you're just grabbing the other end, and it does that. So you go up, pinky, ring, middle, drop this back down. This spins out like that. Your thumb stays on the bottom of that card so that it can grab this one, because what's going to do is pivot like the pirouette, like so. This pulls out. You can almost pull it out on your own, or it can just slide on that pad of your thumb, and then it pushes in when it turns in with like that. So down, spin, push, and then your thumb just closes it. And you're done. It's very comfy, it's very easy. I'll walk through that one more time. But you go into Z grip, middle ring, pinky, push up. This packet lays back down. Middle ring curl in, thumb slides down so that it switches like that. Pad of the thumb stays on here, pulls out to there. Middle and thumb grab, the index pulls with the pad this way so it swirls around. That pushes back on top, thumb closes, and you guys have just done Armchair. Let's do it once in slow motion so you guys can watch. Like so. Push, drops back down, swings, thumb grabs, turns, pushes, thumb closes. It's very easy. Hope you guys enjoy. Awesome.